What's going on, guys? My name is Zeus and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to remove the glove box on a 2005 Infiniti G35 Coupe. The first thing you're going to need to do in order to remove the glove box, you're going to have to remove the radio. Once you have the radio uninstalled, you're going to want to come over to your side panel on the door and remove this. You're just going to lift straight up on it. Once you have that removed, what you're going to want to do is just lift off the side trim here, so you gain access to the screws that are going to be on the side. Reach underneath and you're going to want to remove this panel that's going to be at the bottom of your dashboard. Once you have this panel removed, you'll have access to the two bolts that you're going to need to remove. One is in the back here and the other is going to be right here. But in order to reach this one, you're going to have to remove this plastic piece here. It's going to be a screw top and you'll be able to pull this panel off. Remove this screw up top here. Open up your glove box. You have two screws up top in the middle for the latch, one here on this side, and then one more right here. You're also going to have one screw hiding up top. I'll go ahead and take a picture of that so you guys can see it. Your dashboard will almost be ready to come out, but you have one more screw in there. Once you have your dashboard dropped, make sure that you guys remove all of your connecting plugs, label them so you don't forget where they go, and also bag all of your parts. Once you have the lower glove box removed, there's going to be a screw here, a screw here, two screws on the lower side of the upper dash. During the editing process of this video, I noticed I did not include how to remove the upper part of the glove box. So imagine this trim being off, the bottom glove box being off, and this upper trim being off. What you're going to do is grab this entire piece and pull it straight out. You're going to have to probably use the trim removal tool and pry it out a bit all the way across and on the bottom, and you're just going to pull the whole upper glove box straight out.